Okay, in the last lecture, which practical we completed? And which things we discussed about in the last lecture? Okay, I think we discuss about your doubts and solve your doubts. Okay. Okay. Still, anyone have any type of doubt? So please tell me. Otherwise, we will move to our practical number 12. So what is the practical number 12? I will share you your syllabus. And I already upload your assignment 3 in e-content. So check it. Okay. Assignment 3, how you can prepare assignment 3, that all the details I uploaded in your e-content. So first check it, then prepare your assignment 3. Okay, now my slide is visible or not? Okay, right now we are moving to our practical number 12. So practical number 12, that have a make a marketing presentation. So in that practical you have to prepare one presentation, but which type of presentation? So you have to prepare one a consumer product presentation. Okay, consumer product presentation. If you have a one type of company, or you have a business, so that is a some type of product, but how you can sell that product, how you can check a profit, benefits, and how you can get the advantages and disadvantages for that product. So you have to prepare one presentation. In that presentation you described your all the product details. So how you can prepare the product presentation? First you have to uh, clarify the basics idea of marketing presentation. Then after we have to choose any specific consumer product. First you have to understand any marketing presentation, how you can sell your product to other person, which type of platform you have to require for selling your product, buying your product. Okay, and how you can impress one person to another person to buy your product. That is a way of marketing. There are the different way of marketing. You can any way, and you can choose any way to sell your product. For example, I have one product. This is a cosmetic product, right? Cosmetic product, do you have to require any advertisement? Yes, we have to sell more and more cosmetic products, so we have to require some advertisement. Like you can share that advertisement in social media, in YouTube video. You can prepare one video and share different social media, different platform. In other way, you can also uh, do advertisement in offline manner, like that you can take that product pictures and put it in newspaper. Okay, this is a offline advertisement. And you can also share a online advertisement, like, so you can put that video photos in social media, YouTube videos, that different. So technical, you can take a different technical platform. Okay, so first of all we have to understand how you can prepare a marketing presentation. Then after we choose any consumer product. Yes, trying to give always to impress people. There are the different option available are there. So first of all, your communication skill will strong. If you impress to other people with communication, this is the most, wait, this is the most important things, right? When how you can impress the other people, one people to other people. Then after, for example, you buy one product, one people, and same product you sell in other people, but that both people give positive reply or negative reply. That also according your marketing. Okay, some people have benefit to use that product, some people are lost to use that product. For example, we use some cosmetic product like that skin cream, okay, fairness cream. So some people are giving a more effective result, and some people are not giving a effective result because its skin tone are different. Okay, so we have to mention the different skin tone according your product use. Do you understand what am I say? Ki first how you can marketing your product, then after choose any consumer marketing product. So I have different 2 to 3 marketing presentation I will share you. Then after in the next week first lecture we discuss about consumer product. In today's lecture we only understand only marketing presentation, then after we choose any market any consumer product. Okay, and now in our syllabus, after completion of our presentation, then after we have to use different animation effect, customize animation effect on pictures and clip art on your 4 of 10 slide. So we in that practical we have to prepare 10 slide presentation. In that 10 slide presentation we have to add animation effect, but which slide, how many slide? So 4 slide, fourth any 4 slide. In our 10 slide presentation we have to add any 4 slide animation. Okay, and also use clip art. Different clip art option also available in our presentation. So first we only understand marketing presentation. Okay, here I will share you my screen. You see my screen? My screen is visible or not? Okay, so what are the content you have to add in your marketing presentation? So first of all you have to prepare one title slide. Then you can write here where marketing write, where you have to write your presentation topic. Okay, this is a presentation topic and you can choose different slide layout. Okay, here first understand what are the tips you have to require for marketing. Okay, then next week first lecture we prepare our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, then next slide, what was the objectives of your presentation. Like you can also say that keywords, the most important keyword in first slide you have to mention in first slide. Okay, so which type of things you have to add in objective. So first this read it, first 2 point, the first point 2 points you read it, then after we will move to another slide. Define the elements of marketing. So what are the elements of your product you have to mention here. Then explore tips to market and brand your business. There are the different tips and tricks available are there. So what are which brand of your business and how. Okay, so second point is explore tips to market and brand your business. Then develop key position statement and message for your product and services. After you sell your product, for example, you take any electronics item, right? So some electronics item have some types of guarantee and warranty. So that are included in services. If your services is good, so customer are more buy your product. If you can't giving you services of any electronics item. So customer are not purchase this item because mostly in electronics item have warranty and guarantee for some period, okay, that are included in services. Okay, if you selling your product, then after you can't giving any type of services, so that is a negative impression of your product. Okay, understand or not? And this is also included in objective. Then another objective is use a three-step process of market for market research. User understand the benefits of internet marketing. Okay, so what was the internet marketing? I already discussed about. You can take a video and you can upload your photo of your product in any social media, any YouTube channel, or any technical platform. Okay, so you can also choose internet marketing, because of in current century mostly people are using internet services. Okay, so the most beneficial for our product. Okay, so again I go to previous slide, first read it, then after we will move to another topic. This is another objective. Okay, uh, how you can use internet marketing. Okay, you see here I choose one pictures that is a baby. Uh, if you selling or buying a any baby product, so you can use this type of symbol. Here I take one baby image, then you can add different type of symbols, thoughts. Okay, here the symbol of Magdi in different electronics item, Sony. Okay, you can see this is a marketing helps boost up product sales, how you can more and more selling via advertisement. Okay, the use of internet marketing. Okay, the different option are also available. You can also take one word sale, or you can also giving some discount 10%, 20%, if you have some product. For example, I have one product that is a laptop. The laptop price is 50,000, for example 50,000, but we have to add some discount, so you can take some discount and price will be increased in your product. You choose 70,000 of laptop, and in that price you can take some discount, 20% discount, so your product will be selling as per your again actual price. Okay, so you can also add sell, and this type of banner you can also put it in different board. Okay, so what type of advertisement you can take for marketing purpose. Then again the next slide is a challenges. So you can add different type of animation. In our slide we can add animations so people are more interactive with our presentations. So please, what type of challenge you can write in that slide? So please write a sentence definition for marketing, branding, and position. Okay. So For example, we have one chocolate like Dairy Milk. You can't understand, but in our Gujarati language and Hindi language, the Dairy Milk advertisement first uh, in that advertisement first say that खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा हो जाए, खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा हो जाए, then after they say Dairy Milk. Okay, this is the most impressing word for Dairy Milk advertisement. Generally people, how people can eat that Dairy Milk after lunch, after dinner. Okay, so that is a marketing product and branding and positioning. Okay, so you have to write is challenges, in challenges as an attractive word, phrases, attractive definition, and attractive picture. You can also add attractive pictures. Okay. Okay, Ellie, this is only marketing how you can take how you can get the marketing. Then after I will choose any one product. Okay, right now I take a different example for your for of understanding marketing, how you can selling your product more and more. Okay, then after next lecture I will take a one topic, then after I again explain you. Okay, the next slide is the marketing definition. What was the marketing? The process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organization goal. If you have any type of organization, any type of company, any type of business, so you have to compulsory set the definition of your product. Which type of definition, what was the process of your planning? If you prepare one product, so how many days to complete that product, then after how you can execute your product. If you have produced any electronic product, so first of all you have to gather that electronic devices, then after combine that devices, after completion and your device is ready. Okay, then after how you can execute that device via any electronics board. Okay, so that execution is complete or not, first you have to check your product is successfully run or not. So this is that is a execution concept. Then prices, and the most important word is prices. Your product is little bit cheap, so people more and more sell that product. If you have uh, if your product have more prices, more costly, so people, all the people cannot affordable for getting this product. So you have to focus on prices of your product. Then after promotion and distribution of your idea, first of all you take one product, so how you can promote your product. Okay, then distribute of your idea, so you have to distribute your idea one person to another person, like that my product is this, my product advantages is this, the price will be this. Okay, some all the good idea you have to share with different people. And also you have to uh, give your first product as in a trial manner. Okay, then after services to create exchanges that satisfies individual. Okay, if you can giving your product one customer or one company. Okay, so you have to create a services. You can services like that exchange process, warranty process, and guarantee process. Okay, so the most important point is concept of your product, prices, and how you can promote your product, and your idea of your product, then services, which type of service you provide for your product. Okay, up to now all of you are understand. This is a general marketing presentation, okay, not specific product. Okay, then next slide is the benefits of marketing. What are the benefits of marketing? Here you see A plus, the grading system, the some pictures you can also add in your presentation because the symbols are attract to people. If you only write F, so it is a negative impression to other people. If you can write A plus, so it is a positive impression. Okay, so you can write and add image or any type of digits, any type of symbols for your positive impressions, for your product positive impression. Then the what are the benefits of marketing? The describe your product or services to potential buying using variety of techniques, establish your brand and any philosophy or value associated with it. The all the topics, all the content will be change when our product will be changed. This benefits of according our product. Okay, not same to all the product. This benefits the explain what needs are being the met with your product. Okay, the next is develop. Okay, first read it, then after we will move. The benefits will be changes. Benefit will change according your product. The another benefits are okay done. Okay, the next is marketing model. How you can create a model for your product. This there is a different. You can add the different images, different platform like online and offline advertisement. Define your company strategy and how your product or services support the strategy. For example, you can see any website for your different product. So in that website you can go to about. In about section there will be a vision and mission and about the company. There are the different three things available. Okay, so that is the this point describe the vision, mission, and about your company, about your product, whatever. Okay, so define your company strategy and your product. The outline the goals of your product strategy in terms of marketing, market share, profitability, customer adoption, timing, and milestone. And if you start your business, then after 2 to 3 years, how many selling and what type of rating you can catch. Okay, so this is a communication between one person to another person, your one uh, company to another company. Okay, this symbol indicate the what is the indication of this symbol? Tie up. You can also say one word tie up after starting your start up your initialization state, start up your product. Then after 2 to 3 years, how many rating of your product, how you can tie up one company to another company, one person to another person, one customer to another customer. Okay, so also you have to seen your marketing manner. Okay, so first read it. The next two slide is also for marketing model. First you see this all the words are you can already known: promotions, lead generation, partnership, advertising, events, and product or service launch. Because of we already discuss about that. So read first. Okay, this is also for advertisement or events poster. Okay, see here types of marketing. This is the online marketing. So how you can marketing for online manner. And this is the offline marketing. You can write it down your advertisement in newspaper. So you can see there will be the different discount, 15% off for new furniture. Okay, the different condition will be applied. So people are more attracted to purchase your product. Okay, word of mouth marketing. So you can speak in a loud in a round to one street to another street. Okay, this also is a marketing method. This is also one of marketing method. The next is, okay, that is a different marketing model. Then after, the another model is internal communication. If you tie up with one company to another company, but your both company have create a same product, so how you can communicate with one company to another company in internal manner. Okay, then community relation. If more than two or more than two company create a same product, so you can communicate between relation and the okay, you can create one community for all the companies and the public relation. Okay, the next slide is advertisement. The create a visible and favorable impression of your product or service, communicate your position in the market, reinforce your overall image and brand. Okay, so how you can create a marketing presentation. So these are the basic idea about marketing presentation. Then after, you can also see here, I will share you one slide. Wait. The another PPT I will share you for marketing presentation. Okay, my slide is visible right now. PPT is visible or not? Okay, so same process in that PPT, how you can uh, selling your product via marketing. Okay, so you can write your marketing your product name, then you can also add the thought, like here principle and perspectives, so you can also thought according your product. So what are the topics you have to mention in that? So first slide is what is your product. So small things described in that slide, what is your product, definition of your product. Okay, then after, uh, you can create a different product, so you can write a types of product. Okay, the different product, then types of product, the goods, the physical product with form and substance, consumer product, business product, the services. There are the different product you can create. Then after, goods service is a continuum. So these are the different graph available here, and how the different category work with product. You can see here, I can take a one electronic device. So the here the both device have different offering and different model. The physical product and non-physical product, you can see this is a goods and this is a services. The norms are different. Okay, see here this product combine with this product. So how you can combine with this product? If you can treat you can take if you can take a treatment for from dentist, so you can see that image in your laptop, so that both product are combine it. Okay, the characteristics and strategy for services. Okay, consumer and business product, the different types of product. Okay, this is no need to understand because this is a syllabus of MBA students. So now no need to learn about that all the product. Okay, up to now we concluded our session because what was the marketing we already learned. The next lecture we start one consumer product. Then after we prepare a PPT and also add different animation and clip art. Okay, so everyone write down your roll number in chat box. And do you have any type of queries? So tell me. And I uploaded assignment 3 details in your e-content. So check it first, then start assignment 3. Okay, 55 present, 107 present. Ten present, 20 present, and 56 present. Okay, now you can leave the meeting.